Hello dear student and welcome back. In today's video we'll be talking about three more scan types in Nmap that are worth to learn about, but these are not common anymore. These used to work because of certain loopholes in the TCP stack and the way firewalls used to work, but modern firewalls will take these into account, and the TCP stack, modern TCP stack implementation also mitigate these issues. So let's see them and see how they work. What is their switches? So the first one is the null scan, and it's nmap dash sn, and then the target 192.168.0.1, and the null scan will work by sending a packet, all right, a TCP packet that have the flags like the push, urgent, fin, and so on, the send bit, all of these set them to be null. That's why it's called null. All right. Now this is the null scan. The other type is nmap-sx, and then the target 192.168.0.1, and this is the Christmas scan. Now you can see these scans are not accurate as used to be. Again, this is due to modern architecture of firewalls, the TCP layers, and so on. They mitigate these issues, and generally speaking, they are not as accurate as they used to be. But also, this still exist in the real world, so there will be certain times when you need to use them. This will depend, of course, on the target specification you are dealing with. Now, the final one is this the fin scan. And by the way, it's called Christmas scan here because it sets the urgent and fin and push bits to it will set them. They will not be null. All right. Anyway, so let's go to nmap dash f s f, and then 192.168.0.1, and the fin scan will send a packet with the fin bit set. So it will just basically try to send a finishing packet. You know, in the TCP handshake, you will connect a packet, then the server will relay with SYN, and then it will send SYN acknowledgement and so on until all this finishes up. And the way we know this connection is finished by sending FN bit to be set, not to be null, right? And that way we know that this connection is over. Now here what we are doing basically is ignoring all this and just sending the last packet in this connection. And this is used to confuse firewalls and will pass through the firewall and get more accurate results of the target. But again, not so much in modern days, but again, there will be certain times when you need to use it. And as you can see, all three return the same results here. Open filtered nmap is enabled to determine the exact state, and that's why this proves that modern technology is taking account of this type of loophole. All right, and yeah, basically that's it. I will see you in the next video.